Good morning, all the students, and now we are going to discuss about our regular concept. Yesterday we already discussed it. We want to see the atom. What required one particular light is required. Correct or not? Yesterday we are discussed it. As alpha ray beam is centered onto the gold foil, we'll get some idea about the what? Some idea about the atomic structure. Okay, by the Rutherford it will be given. Got it or not? Now we are going to discuss how many types of lights are there, how the light is produced in the atomic structure. That is very, very, very important. Yes, for you 7th class people, our IIT Foundation for Atomic Structure, that is only there. Okay, got it or not? Yeah. Now we are going to what is the light nature and how the light is given atomic structure for us. Okay, there are now one second. There is electromagnetic radiation. Okay, that is a very, very important to see the atom. Okay, electromagnetic radiation. Many types of waves are there? How many types of radiations are there in this electromagnetic radiation? Once we have to check it. Yeah, electromagnetic radiation. Yeah, got it. Now there is a what is electromagnetic radiation? So many you don't know. I thought there is our light is traveled in the form of electromagnetic radiations. Okay, now what is the meaning of electromagnetic radiation? In the light, there is a two components are there. One is electric component, another one is magnetic component. Yeah, you don't know about this thing. Light contain whatever light here, which is coming from the candle, which is coming from the sun, which is coming from the any other thing. It will be contain the two things. One is electrical component, another one is a magnetic component. How light is? Okay, clear or not? I hope you understand. There is a like this here. There is a three things. One is this is the my forefinger is indicate the what? Light propagation. Okay, this is indicate what? Electric component. This is indicate what? Magnetic component. Like this, it will be moves. Okay, clear or not? Yes, it will be towards you, not like this. Then it will be electric component. It is a magnetic component. The light is moving in this particular. Understood not all of you? In this way, the light is moving here. Yes, and these electromagnetic, this is only called electromagnetic radiation. Why it is called electromagnetic radiation? It contains electrical component inside it. It is a contain magnetic component inside it. It is a contain, yes, what it is? Light also. Okay, the combination is the provide for us light. Yeah, how many components are there in this electromagnetic radiation? Only one thing. It is a contain only one thing.
पर का खाली वाईफाई चल रहा नहीं दिख रहा.
Here there is so many components are there. The what they given? Do you listen the radio, watch TV, and use the microwave? All these devices makes use of electromagnetic waves only. Radio waves, microwaves, visible light, and X-rays are all the example of electromagnetic waves. That is the difference from each other on a wavelength. Okay, clear on all the students? There is a whatever the things you are observing. How the TVs are working, how our phone is working, how our microwaves are working. You know very well. When you go for a bakery, within the fractions of minutes only, they are given the what heated things. How it will be heated? They not contain any stove. They not contain any other cooking things. Okay, just they are sending the light on it. Okay, clear or not? Whatever egg puffs, whatever the curry puffs, within the fractions of second it will be heated. Okay, how it is a possible to? Yes, they are apply on it. There is a somewhat what light. Okay, within the fraction of second only it will be concluded. Now, how you are seeing me in the screen because of the light only. On the light, my picture is coming to your mobile. That is called what the microwaves. Okay, clear or not? Radio waves are there. How my sound is listened by you by the radio waves only. But that is also light only. These all the things are seen by you? No. What you see only 7 colors. Yes, that is also light only. That contains 7 colors component. Our human eye is observed only these 7 colors. Remaining all the light is not possible to see by us. Okay, clear or not? That region is called visible region. What you understood from this one? The sun, whatever the light is produces, and whatever the light is produces, that all not seen by us. Okay, now so many components are there in a light. Exactly, there is a we are discussed only such things like that. There is a ultraviolet light, infrared light. Okay, infrared radiation, ultraviolet radiation, X-rays, gamma rays, cosmic rays, microwaves, radio waves. These all are contained in a electromagnetic radiation as a bunch. Okay, clear or not? Yes, but in that one, all we are not seen by our eye. We got a mobile call, but there is one light is come to the mobile phone. Mobile towards the mobile. The mobile is only captured it, but it is not observed by our eye. Okay, in case there is you have used there is any microwave components, at that time it will be possible to see. Okay, clear or not? That energy, the light is not possible to seen by our eye. Just there is we observe the energy may comes towards like that. Okay, clear or not? Yes. And this is only the thing we are going to discuss. Yes, why that lights are not observed by our eye. Okay, now why? Because they contain very small wavelength or very high wavelength. Got it or not? What is the wavelength? First, you have to know what is the wave. What is the wave? Disturbance coming in the media is called as a wave. Okay, clear or not? Disturbance coming in the media as called as a wave. Got it or not? I hope you got it. The wave is nothing but disturbance coming in the medium. Okay, now once you check it, you take a water. Okay, in that water you pour one pebble. Okay, you poured one what you make it disturbed by a stone. What happened? There is a disturbances are coming in the form of wave or not? Yeah, now I'm silently stand like this. No sound may get. Okay, now when I'm disturbed in front of my mouth, whatever there is there, the sound waves are generated. Got it or not? You are not become it is looking like a miracle or not? Yeah, that is why only physics is called or chemistry is called a very, very interesting thing. Okay, clear or not? Yes, simply once check it, no sound may get for us when I am stop my mouth. But when I start here, there is a disturbance somewhat, there is some energy created. Got it or not? Yeah, that is only the energy is contained throughout the universe. That energy may coming in the form of wave. How the wave is coming? Disturbance is coming in the media. That is only called a wave. Okay, clear or not? The disturbance is whatever the content. Okay, in the so many format. Longitudinal wave and as well as transverse waves. Okay, clear or not? There actually the waves are two types, mainly progressive waves and stationary waves. Okay, now progressive waves and stationary waves. Progressive waves again two types, longitudinal and transverse. Okay, clear or not? Whatever the wave is there, that is the disturbance coming in the media. Till don't know about the waves now. Yeah, what is the wavelength? Wave is not a stabilized particle or a wave. In a physics, there is the two things are there. One is a particle, another one is a wave. Okay, now for the analyzing the one matter and the changes are coming in the energies of matter or disturbance is coming in the matter. There is a particle is nothing but it will be stay in particular place. It is a contained mass. It is a contained length. It is a specified a particular time. But wave is not like that. You can't say the wave is here and there. It is possible to you. Okay, now you said it is here. Next second it will be changes its the place. Got it or not? The wave is not a container on a fixed position. Yes, that is why the waves are moving in the form of a disturbances. Some waves are moving compressions and rarefactions. Some waves are moving in the form of what? Thrust and thrust. These are called the disturbances. Sound is there, na? Sound is moving in the form of compressions and as well as the rarefactions. The molecules, whatever there between you and me, the gas molecules are there. When I am pronounced here, and otherwise your mobile speaker is a pronounced there. Okay, now at that time, the whatever the gas is around it, it will be all the molecules are compressed together like this. And after some time, again they are rarefacted. Again there is a compressed. Again they are rarefacted. Okay, clear or not? One second, when we are taken like this, the sound may come or not. Like that only, the molecules are also collide with one another. The sounds are may come. Got it or not? That is the coming in the form of two ways. One is a rarefaction, another one is a compression. Like that only in the water also, there it will be moves about like this. Okay, like a snake. Okay, clear or not? Yes, and that will be called when there is a hump may get. Okay, now that will be called as what actually crust. When there is a dump, it will be there. That is called trough. Crust and as well as the trough. These disturbances name these are. The media is disturbance in this way. Okay, now one disturbance to the another same disturbance, whatever length it is there, that is only called wavelength. Got my point or not? What is the wavelength? One disturbance to the another disturbance, another same disturbance, crust to the crust, compression to the compression, rarefaction to the rarefaction. Okay, that whatever the distance is there, that is only called what? Wavelength. Understood or not, all the students? Yes, there is a from here to here, from here to here. It is a called what? Wavelength. It is designated by the symbol lambda. Okay, clear or not? It is a called what? Lambda. Depending on the different lambdas, there is divided our electromagnetic radiations. Okay, clear or not? Very small wavelength is there, that will enter into the small space also. Okay, length or nothing, but my length is from here to here this much. Okay, I want to move from anywhere. Okay, now this much of length is there, at that time only I am easily move. Otherwise, there is only this much of place is there. It is possible to move from it. It is not possible to move for me. Okay, like that only, atom is very small. Okay, now it's want to go through that one. You want to take a photo from it. As how much small wavelength is required? Very small wavelength is required. At that time only we possible. Sir, why we are reading this atomic structure about these waves? Because of this. Okay, now why? Because when there is a, yesterday I am given about X-rays. X-rays are enter through our bodies. Why? Because they are contain very small wavelength. Got it or not? It will be propagated through it, and it will be take a photo of bone. Why? Because how get your photo? Anyone of any branch students, how will get your photo? You are taken so many selfies, so many photos now. What is the process is going on it? You have to should know the science concept when you are attend to the IIT classes. How can you get the photo? What is the photo? How our sky looks blue color only. Yeah, there is a whatever the light, white light is a contain, it will be contain 7 components inside it. What is that component's name? VIBGR. Okay, our eye is observed only the 7 color combinations. Okay, what is the VIBGR? Violet, indigo, okay, now blue, orange, red, okay, yellow, and green. Okay, like that we are considered VIBGR. Okay, clear or not? These are only colors we are observed. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, clear or not? After red, whatever the light coming in electromagnetic radiation, it is not possible to see by us. It is infrared. And before the violet, one more light is also there in the whatever electromagnetic radiation, that is called ultraviolet. It is also not possible to see by us. Okay, clear or not? This is the contain ultraviolet light contain less wavelength than the violet color. Yes, red color, after red color, infrared. Infrared light contain more wavelength than the red color. Got it or not? Yes. And here, whatever photography means what? These 7 colors are recorded on one particular film. Okay, why these 7 colors are get? Suppose I am in the particularly this color, or otherwise my shade is in this particularly there is blue color is there. When I want to take a photo, okay, now whatever the light is coming, it will be not entered, it will be returned back. Okay, clear or not? That is only captured by your camera. Understand all of you? Yes, why you are not look like a red color, pure red color? Why you are not look like a blue color? Any man is looks in a blue color? No. The parrot is looking at green color. Why you are not looking at green color? Why? Because whatever white light is coming from the outside, that green color reflect back. Already green it is there now. That is reflected back. That will be taken in a capture of photo. Okay, clear or not? Recording the wavelength of colors is only called photo. Okay, which one is recorded? Which one is the contain our body? That is not allowed that. Okay, clear or not? Suppose once you check it, which one? Yellow color. Yellow color is the contain 5,000 angstroms. Okay, now 5,000 angstroms. About angstroms, I will give the later. Angstroms means what you know? Angstroms means 10 to the power of -8. Yes, centimeters. Got it up? 10 to the power of -8 meters. Angstroms means what? The distance between the one wave to the another wave disturbance is 1 10 to the power of minus 8 means what? Fourth part. In 1 meter, fourth part distance is there. Okay, that is called 1 angstrom. In case that is a 5,000 angstroms, that light is looks color as in a what? Green, yellow. Understand all of you? In case it is a 7,000 angstroms is there, it is a red. Okay, clear or not? Yeah. Suppose you want to looks in a yellow color, your body not allowed the 5,000 angstroms light into it. Okay, got it or not? Okay, now suppose X-ray, they contain a very low wavelength, 4 nanometers only, 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Okay, in the order of 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. That's why only the very small now. Our body contain not that much of hole, that much of small hole. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is why. For what? For yellow color. That's why we appeared yellow color. Okay, now. And as well as suppose you are take here X-rays. X-rays are in the 10 to the power of minus 9 meters only. They penetrated from our body. Okay, that's why only X-rays are not get as a photo. Okay, clear or not? X-rays are not given a photo of our body. Is not given, it is photo of what it is a given? Bone. Bones are not allowed. Our body is allowed. Bone is not have that much of space to enter the light. When the light is enter into that, it will be not captured by the light. When the light is repelled by it, it is a captured by it. Yeah, what you understood from this one? When we sended a light, the atom is allowed it, we not get a photo of atom. When the light is enter into the atom, that is repelled back, we'll get the photo of atom also. When you get the photo of atom, you'll get the structure of atom. That's why only we read this lesson. Got it or? Yeah, now we are going with what individually, what is the nature of electromagnetic radiations, individual components. Okay, first we are going to discuss about the component of, yes, what it is. So before going to that, actually, definition of electromagnetic waves are there. Electromagnetic waves are produced in the motion of electrically charged particle. The waves are also contained called electromagnetic radiation because they radiate from electrical charged particle. They travel through the empty space as well as through air and other substances. Yeah, this is not a correct definition. Actually, what they given, electromagnetic waves are nothing but which are contain electrical component and magnetic component both. They travel through the air. That is what we call electromagnetic waves. They are not given about a magnetic nature. The magnetic nature also contained by. Yes, and yeah, they given bottom after the definition. The second para they given one second. When electrically charged particle moves under the acceleration, alternating electrical and magnetic fields are produced and transmitted. That is the correct thing. Okay, clear or not? And as well as next one, dual nature of electromagnetic radiation. We already discussed it here. Dual nature, the particle and the wave. Okay, clear or not? Actually, we said some electrical particle or electrical charged things are contain particle nature, but they not only contain particle nature, they contain wave nature also. Okay, sometimes they exhibit the particle nature, sometimes they exhibit the wave nature. When we combine these two natures, that is only called what? Dual nature. Okay, what you understood from this one? Whatever the charged particles are there, they not contain only particle nature. They also contain a what? Wave nature also. That's why they called what? Dual nature. But it is also not a correct. Okay, now till there is the atomic structure is not get idea. Okay, now you want to become a scientist. Okay, now yes, this is the best field to select. Okay, why? Because still there is a what? It will be not a same. Okay, clear or not? It will be not a same action. Got it or not? Yes, it will be not one scientist is said this, next day another scientist it is not correct. They have a proof. Why? Because there is so many scientists are came now. Yes, yesterday we are discussing. Thomson is given, Rutherford is given, Bohr is a given, Sommerfeld is a given. So many atomic models are there till now. If you are find any atomic model, your name also make it. Okay, get or not? Ready or not, you all? Yeah, I hope there is a what when you are studied this thing, you'll make it. It is why? Because the particle nature, someone said electron is in the form of particle. But after some days, some scientists have said electron not a particle, it is a wave. After some days, it is not a wave, it is a contain two natures, dual nature. The name of the scientist is De Broglie. He proposed the theory of a dualism. Got it or not? Then next one more scientist came. Okay, his name is Max Planck. Okay, clear or not? Name is Planck. Okay, now he said that our atomic particles are not contain as dual nature. They contain photon nature. Photon means what? Energy packet. They're moving in the form of energy packet. Our light is not a contain particle nature. Our light is not contain a wave nature. Got it or not? Particle nature is given by the Newton. Yes, all the students, please note down if it is possible. Particle nature of light is given by the Newton. Okay, said light is traveled in the form of a particles. That particles names are corpuscular. Okay, now that theory is called corpuscular theory. Okay, Newton said it is. Our great scientist of Newton, yes, he said the light is traveled in the form of particle. Okay, now depending on the particle size, there is a colors are may get. It is a wrong theory actually. Yes, they contain reflection phenomena. The light contain reflection phenomena and refraction phenomena. That is explained by the Newton. Okay, but it is not a particle. It is a contain somewhat. Okay, yes, what it is a nature contained by. It is a contained by it, a particle nature it will contain. Yes, it is a given by the Newton. Next one is about Huygens. Okay, now what he said, Huygens is that light is traveled in the form of wave. Okay, light is traveled in the form of what? Wave. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is also may not correct. Then after electromagnetic radiation purpose, one more scientist came, Max Planck. He said, okay, light not traveled in the form of wave, light not traveled in the form of particle. Okay, clear or not? Why wave it is not correct? Tell me. For the wave is nothing but disturbance coming in the media. But from sun to here, there is no media is there now. But the light is coming from sun to here. Then it is a wrong or not? Wave is nothing but compulsory the disturbance coming in the media. How the light is coming in the vacuum also? There is no media, na? Any media is there between sun and us? No. Okay, clear or not? But why the light is coming from there to here in 8 minutes only? Got it or not? Yes. How much time it will be taken from that much of distance traveled from here to here? Yes. 52 seconds, 8 minutes, 52 seconds will be taken. One light ray coming from sun to here. Okay, clear or not? How it is possible? Yeah, there is a possible because of nature of photon. Photon is not need to any media. It is one of the energy packet. Every photon is a contain one energy packet. Okay, clear or not? Yes, every photon is a contain one energy packet. That energy packet is moving in the form of oscillation. Okay, like a swing, like this. Okay, clear or not? Oscillated. It means oscillated, and it will be contained somewhat nature. That is called quanta. Okay, yes, our electromagnetic radiations are moving in which form? Quanta. Okay, these quantums are called as also photon, not a proton. Photon. Photon is different from photon. Photon is not a particle, not a wave. It is one energy packet. Okay, that will be given by the Max Planck. Got it or not? Yes, here given the photons with the highest energy corresponding with the shortest wavelength. Okay, these photons are contain high energy and short wavelengths are they contain. In that form only the light is traveled. Understood now? How our electromagnetic or radiations are traveled from the one medium to the another medium? Yes, in the form of a photon. Every photon is a contain one energy. That energy is equal to h nu. H into nu. What is this h? Planck's constant. What is this nu? S frequency. The nu is called the frequency, and h is called the what? A Planck's constant. It is called as Planck's constant. Okay, clear or not? This is only about the light traveling. I hope you understood somewhat. Not totally clear, may understood somewhat. Okay, light is contains so many components. that is called electromagnetic radiation component. Okay, now that will be come from some particular sources, not in the form of a particles, not in the form of a waves. It is sometimes the scientists are combined together, that is called dual nature. Okay, clear? These all are right only, something right, but not exactly 100% right. They contain this all nature. Yes, our photons are contain sometime particle nature, sometime wave nature, sometime dual nature. But we not call it is exactly. Okay, now that is why photon is exact. Finally, what they said, photon. Photon is an energy packet. In the energy, it is a contain some particle nature, sometime wave nature, like that. Got it or not? And the photon are contain one more property. What is that? Highest energy, shortest wavelength. Okay, now that is only final conclusion. Got it or not? And these electromagnetic radiations are contained so many types. In that one, there is a first given in a radio waves. Yeah, the given clear information. Our electromagnetic radiation is a contain any one of these of ray of whatever I am written on the board, or all the things may contain inside somewhat. Okay, now any two or any three, any four combinations are also make it. Okay, clear or not? Our sun rays are very dangerous. Okay, they contain all the things, but on our earth there is only the which one is get for us, visible region is only get. Okay, in case any one of them they get now, our bodies may not work. Okay, suppose X-rays are produced by the sun, gamma rays are also produced by the sun. These are not make ultraviolet also make contain in a sun radiation. That will be reflected by which one? Ozone layer, you know very well. Okay, now in case ozone layer is deflected now already started here because of our human beings, whatever the pollution, okay, whatever the we are unnecessarily we are used somewhat of plastic like the things and greenhouse effects gases are may come out. Okay, because of that ozone layer is the deflection, all the rays are enter into yes our earth. Okay, now that is why only the cancers are made it now because of these all the rays and all these things. Got it or not? Yeah, there is a what some rays are utilized in our daily life, some rays are may not utilized. Okay, now what is the production of the ray and what is the wavelength of that ray and how it is useful? Yes, and how to prevent it. That all the things are there once we go to discuss ray by ray. Radio waves. Yes, how you listen the total our radios like FM or otherwise TV sound. Okay, now because of that radio wave sound. Okay, clear or not? Once check it in our textbook also they given. What they given? Yeah, the same kind of energy that radio stations emit into the air from your boombox to capture and turn into the your favorite Mozart, Madonna, and other distinct Timberlake and tunes. But the radio waves are also emitted by other things such as the stars, gases in space. You may not be able to dance to what this object emit, but you can use it to learn what they made up of. Okay, now and microwaves they will cook your popcorns in just a few minutes. The microwaves in a space are used to by astronomers to learn about the structure of a nearby galaxies and your own Milky Way also. Yeah, the radio waves are the contain a larger wavelengths. Okay, clear or not? Yes, the 50 kilometers and as well as the above that also may contain. That is why only once check it. There is a one on the particular radio station or a TV station somewhere are speaking. Okay, suppose now the TV9. How where it is a studio when the news reporter is given the report where it is in front of you only there. No, but she appeared for us. Her sound is appeared for us. And that much of not. I'm speaking here now in somewhere. Okay, na to somewhat 200, 300 kilometers away from you. But I am in front of you now on your screen. My sound is listened by you. Okay, now my picture is observed by you. How it is possible? Because of these radio waves and microwaves only. Okay, clear or not? Yes, and whatever the light is captured by me in camera of my mobile, that will be transmitted into transmitter of phone. The transmitter is generated somewhat microwaves and radio waves, and through the radio waves and microwaves, my picture and my sound is overlapping. That will be enter into the air. That air is captured that whatever the cell phone tower, that cell phone tower is given the information to cell phone tower nearby you, and that will be recognized by your mobile, and that mobile is sended my picture into the screen. This much of process is going on now. Okay, for this purpose, who made it is any man. The man is done this thing. The communication is possible. My picture is taken to you. How much time it will be taken? Yeah, it is impossible task. Which is made by it? Yeah, it is made by the light. Why? Because we selected this thing only. Light contain highest velocity than all. What is the velocity of light? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second or 3 lakhs kilometers per second. Okay, clear or not? In 1 second, light is traveled how many kilometers? Okay, not 3 lakhs kilometers. How many kilometers? 3 lakhs kilometers. Okay, got it or not? That is why only this much of fast I am reaching you. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is the way we are used that thing. They are contain energy also, and as well as they produced not here only, they produced by the space things also. Somewhat stars are produced. Okay, now the radio is not only produced by us, the stars and as well as the planets, meteoroids, and as well as these all are may produced. Okay, clear or not? But these things are not seen by us. Okay, every wave are not seen by us. Okay, now yes, and these are more energetic, high wavelength. These are contain high wavelength. Okay, which are these microwaves and as well as the radio. Next one is infrared. Yes, our skin is emit the infrared light, which is why we can see the dark by someone using the night vision tools. Okay, now in space, IR light maps the dust between the stars. Okay, our bodies also emit the infrared when it will be yes illuminated by the light. Got it or yes? Understood my component or not? This is only the component we are considered for us. Okay, now tomorrow we're going to discuss about the remaining radiation. What is the use of the radiation? What is the yes things? Good. Give me some 5 minutes వాళ్ళకి స్పెసిఫిక్ ఇచ్చి మళ్ళీ ఇంతకి ఏదో అన్న మేము ఇచ్చినాం కంపెనీ అవును సార్ మొన్న లేదు అయిపోతుంది అయిపోతుంది ఇలా చేంజ్ చేస్తాను ఇవాళ ఆల్రెడీ మనకు అది తర్వాత సొసైటీ ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే అయితే నేను రివ్యూ అదే ఈ అయిపోతుంది సార్ ఇక అన్నీ అయితే ఇప్పుడు పర్మిషన్ సరే అడిగిన సార్ చూసి పైన ఆల్రెడీ ఇప్పుడు మనం మీకు ఆఫీస్ చూడండి సార్ 10 లో 0 ఇంపార్టెంట్ అప్పుడు మనం 5 చేసి ఇస్తారు కాకపోతే ఏంటంటే మధ్యలో ఆగిపోయింది సో అన్ని డాక్యుమెంట్ పెట్టి మళ్ళీ మనం చేయాల్సింది అట్లా ఇప్పుడు మా మనకి 9th 10th తీసుకుంటాం ఆ తగ్గలే సార్ ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఉంది మేము అప్పుడే అప్లై చేసేసాము అని చెప్పేసి చెప్పుకోవచ్చు చేసేస్తారు అయిపోతుంది సాయంత్రం వరకు ఫైల్ సబ్మిషన్ అయిపోతుంది వాళ్ళు ఏమన్నారంటే మీరు లీగల్ కంపెనీస్ బయట పెట్టి అయ్యో సార్ సార్ మధ్యలో బోర్డు 20 ఫీట్స్ తీసుకోవచ్చు సార్ 10 ఫీట్స్ తీసుకున్నట్టు అట్లా 2 తీసుకోవచ్చు ఆ బోర్డు దాన్ని ఏం చేస్తారు ఓన్లీ జస్ట్ పెట్టేసి మీ చాలా పెట్టి మనం పెడితే అది సర్వతం సొసైటీ హలో ఈ ఏరియా